I like trains. That's why we rushed across the bay to get to Queenscliff to eat on a train.
Yes, it's time to eat again, but this time on a train.
Thank you so much.
Not a problem.
We're heading across the bay to board the Q Train, heading to historic Queenscliff with a first-class lunch. How do you get there?
What deck were we on? Main deck.
What's it like?
Tails.
How's the food?
The world is waiting on the gastronomic opinion.
Is it worth it?
That's a lot of cutlery.
Hi.
Enjoying the weather so far?
Join us on our steamy gastronomic journey to Queenscliff.
I just say yum. It's at 10% of the speed of the Shinkansen.
Blasting along.
Yeah, oh, it's lovely, isn't it?
Nestled along the shore of Port Phillip Bay and 60 kilometres southwest of Melbourne, Queenscliff is a town whose strategic location at the entrance to the bay has shaped its identity for centuries. Getting to Queenscliff can be an adventure in itself. Today our route takes us on a scenic drive south of Melbourne to the coastal town of Sorrento, and then across the waters of Port Phillip Bay by ferry to Queenscliff. It's not the most direct route, but it is the most fun.
Drive on up to the ferry.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
The ferry is a maritime icon that connects the Mornington Peninsula to the Bellarine Peninsula on the other side.
That was an exciting start to a trip.
Well, we made it with -1 minute to spare. Looks like there's some other people that are going to join us.
Arriving at Queenscliff, we continue our journey by a chartered bus that winds us through the charming streets towards Drysdale, the gateway for our dining experience today aboard the Q Train.
Be careful. As I said, it is a bit muddy out there.
One of us will come through.
Climb aboard. Jump on in.
Thank you so much.
Not a problem.
Established in 2017, this gourmet restaurant on rails has quickly built itself as an award-winning foodie destination. And if you're lucky, for 2 weekends of every month, the train is pulled by a steam engine. The train offers 2 classes of dining in either their standard Q class or a first-class dining cabin for 2.
This is about as fast as it goes too, huh?
That's fine by me.
4 knives, 4 forks, 1 spoon.
Just work from the outside. In. Oh, there's people in there waiting. Oh, look.
Crossing.
Train spotters.
That's a big cleanse.
So nice.
Hello.
Hey.
We have a couple of Chardonnays here. Sorrento Estate Chardonnay, which fits in very nicely with the fish that we've got coming up for our next course.
I like it. It's very fresh and delicate. The last bite. Beautiful.
The world is waiting on the gastronomic opinion.
I've got the pumpkin and goat's cheese, and it's a marriage made in heaven. It's delicious.
We're about to arrive at Queenscliff, which is where we started.
That's where they're going to turn the train around.
After trundling 16 kilometres across the Bellarine Peninsula, our train arrives at Queenscliff an hour later, where the locomotive changes ends for the return trip back to Drysdale.
It's not just about the food or the wine, which is pretty good. Has to be a little bit of train nerd in all of us. I'll let catch her taking selfies. All aboard.
It's a pie. Can I just say yum?
Before dessert is served, the train makes a short stop at Lakers Siding to allow all the ferroquinologists on board to take pictures as the train passes by at full steam, myself included.
Something out of an old western, isn't it?
Think it's all right?
Yeah, that's I'll be your guinea pig for today. Professional taster. And it's a chewy donut. All good things must come to an end. I'm going to have to roll out of here,
Back on the bus.
back on the bus, and then maybe go for a nap. Still watch your step?
Totally wonderful.
Totally wonderful. Yep.
Get your ass on the Q train.
For our accommodation tonight, we're staying at Athelstane House. As Queenscliff's oldest operating guest house, it's been welcoming visitors since 1860. Come on in.
Come in. Got a big king size bed, a sofa to get dressed, 2 lounge chairs with a throne.
Ooh, you can jump in the tub.
Yeah.
There's 9 rooms to choose from of varying size and facilities, as well as a guest lounge, verandas, and an on-site restaurant that's open during peak season.
One of the great things about Queenscliff is the Queenscliff Fish and Chip Shop, the best in the state.
Order number 65. Thank you. Have a nice night.
Dinner is served.
Oh, thank you. Now to get to our destination, right?
Yep.
No swimming tonight.
Did you have a nice trip in Queenscliff, my love?
I was just thinking it was a perfect sleepy getaway.
Sleepy.
It's very quiet this time of year, you know, so if you want to travel somewhere not too far from town and unwind, it's the perfect place.
And the train.
Oh, well, that was the highlight. I mean, that was why we came, and it was, you know, it definitely met expectations, if not exceeded them. I just had a brilliant time. I loved it. Would highly, highly, highly recommend.
Yeah, 5 courses, even though they didn't look substantial. Man, I'm still full today.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to
Comment, please.
and subscribe.
subscribe.
Thank you, darling.
Okay, thank you.
See ya.
Bye.